Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making yummy chicken bites. In a bowl I will add 4 tablespoons of corn flour. I will add half teaspoon of Ajinomoto, half teaspoon of table salt and a pinch of your baking soda, and then I will add half teaspoon of black peppers freshly crushed. Now I will add a large egg in the mixture. Mix it and make a thin paste. So here we are aiming for like pancake batter thickness. So I'm gonna add some water because the egg was not enough for that. So I'm gonna mix it. Now I will add 1 pound of chicken. I cut them in small 1-inch cubes. Mix everything nicely and then marinate it for 30 minutes or so. Now in the deep pan, I will add like 2 cups of oil, heat it up on medium-high heat, and then I will add all the chicken into it, like putting 1 by 1 pieces and fry it for 5 to 7 minutes. Once they are golden brown, we're going to take them out on a paper towel and let the paper towel soak all the oil. It's ready. We're going to serve it warm. Eat it with your favorite sauce. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.